people, we're teaching you how to be yucky hands. This is
yucky.
You see this? It's very yucky. You want to try it?
Yeah.
I teach you now. First, we crush off.
Crush it away. Yay, I win!
I didn't win. Just help me first.
Yeah, oh my god.
Tubig lang mo nilagay ito. Ano
What
ka
the
ba?
heck happened in your head?
Ito lagyan mo tubig.
Just need to borrow.
Okay, borrow it. Takot na si Tita.
Kadiri. Yucky.
Do you want to try it? You just try
No,
it.
thanks.
It's very fun. And Tanya, you open my gosh, stick it na. I can't.
Chinese yun na lang. Chinese sabihin niya.
Ikaw ay hawatat ke. So, si watat ke. So, di ka man, tingka niya kawatat sa usay niya. Iga tongo, pwede soya. Pwede soya. Tomalito, pwede soya. Soy o de you onshin. Tomalito ta. Tatoti. Okay, we're ready. First, Tanya talaga kailangan dirit na kasi para mahalata na dirit talaga. Diba ta?
Yeah.
Kaya parang ganito sa akin, ganyan. Huy, hati tayo.
Alam ko.
Okay, we're ready. We need some chicken of the here. Here it is. So it's very yuck, but I can't yuck. It's very yuck. Now,
Sino mas
mix
yak
it
kanya?
and put some water. Give me the water. Give water. Put water. And you put here. Tanya, put your yucky here. Put here.
Bakit in-stick mo?
Pagbihan mo na. Bibili ako sa'yo.
Ay, ako na stick.
Ikaw mag-ganyan.
Oo,
Yes.
ako na.
Tanya will scratch in the scratch.
May ano yung ano ko?
Okay, we'll scratch all. When she's finished, she will tell you how it's finished. We need some.
Tignan natin yung ano.
Oh my, masarap kayong gawin basa-basa.
Oh, cute dito.
Magbiya mo sila. Ilan naman.
Ano mo yung
Napagalitan kayo.
dito?
Don't. Okay, now,
Ako na.
finish na to. Tanya. Alis ka konti. Dito ka. Magbiya mo. Wag.
Sa dati.
Yung mga iba, ano na sa sahig. Okay, tama na. And now, it's very yuck now. Yeah, it's very yuck na. Okay, she's very good. Now, with scratch in. You scratch dito. Go.
Latak konti ka.
Magbiyan mo na. Scratch is very
Pero
yuck.
share tayo yan. Tatapon din natin yan.
Oo, tapos tomorrow bibili na tayo.
Tapos bibili na tayo ulit ng ice cream.
Mag 100.
And nag 100 na nga.
Okay, now we do this, and you start to put our hand. Start now, Tanya. Don't be shy. It's very stick. You need very stick in your hands. Very stick. It's very stick.
Uy!
Sorry, I put it first. Okay, I hear. Uy, now it's mine. You.
Kanina kinuha
sorry.
mo akin.
Now, we need to this. Uy, nasa kamay ko na nga yan eh. You put in here. Put in here. Put in here. Give me some water, please. And us hands. Put Tanya hand too.
Oh.
Oh my god. I can stand it.
Give me your hand now. I will help us today. Do you want to buy this? This $1 one pack, you know? Yeah. Try this in .com, YouTube.com. So many yak, you know? Oh my gosh, what's watching? Oh my god. Goodbye. Not goodbye, I'm waiting.